this is Harmanliger, and today we're going to be starting on part 2. So let's get right into it. This is what we will be working with. I'm going to put these tires to the side, and the cars right here on the side too. And this is what we will be working with. So it's going to take a little time. So we're going to take this little piece right here. We're actually going to jump right to it. So it's going to be with the 6 points right here. I'm going to take these 2 pieces right here. And down this in, down this in. And this is what you should have. Oh wait, you need to move some forward. I'm sorry. Mistakes, they happen. So this is what you want to do. I'm going to take a piece right here. This piece right here. With 4 pegs. And take that and tap that in just like so. And take these 2 pieces right here. 2 of them. I don't know what's wrong. I keep dropping pieces at the end. So I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna take 2 pieces. 2 of these pieces. Right here. Okay, finally. So you're gonna take 2 of these pieces right here. It took me time to find them. It's just finding them is difficult enough. And you're gonna take these two right here. And what's gonna happen is that these 2, this little piece will go on here, just like so. Go on here, just like so. And this will just tap in, just like so. And this is what you should have. Then you're gonna take this little piece right here, and then you're gonna use sticker number 3. You're gonna use sticker number 3, and you are going to make sure the McLaren part is facing you, away from you. And I'm pretty sure I got that one wrong. So this is what you want. You're going to tap that in, just like so, and this is what you should have. And then you want to take this piece right here, the one that looks like a bench, and then you're going to plug that in there. And then you're going to take these 2 pieces right here, and then you're going to just tap them in, just like so. Like so. And this is what you should have. And you should have this little piece right here, and this little piece right here, and this little piece right here. So what you want to do, take this piece, you're going to take this piece and peg it onto this right here, just like so, and then you are going to tab it in just like so, and this will just tab in just like so. So let me get the other side done. Okay, so this is what you should have right now, and what you're going to do is take this, and this is going to go right here underneath. And this is what you should have. This is what your last part. Okay, sure. Yeah, this is what you should have. And now what you're gonna do is take these 2 pieces. Did I get the right one? Okay, no, I got the wrong one. Take these 2 pieces, and you are going to tab these in, just like so. And tab them in, just like so. And this is what you should have. You should have 1, 2 of these pieces. And then you should have these 2 pieces. You're going to tab them in just like so. And this will just sit right on top of here, right here. So you should have. Just string those out, however. And then you are going to need the same kind of piece right here, and except this piece is going, there is another piece that's going to tap in. It does get kind of confusing. Okay, so they don't want you to use this. I was confused too. So they want you to use someone with 3 of these right here, and they want you to, now they want you to peg it in just like so. And then what's going to happen is the one that we use, we're definitely going to need this, and we're going to need this too. This is just going to peg all the way. Sure if it's no, why it's not pegging in. There you go. This is what you should have, and I just pegged that in wrong. It's okay. It's never too late to fix it. Now this is what you should have. It's very confusing. I know the direction is just it's something. So now we're going to take this little piece right here, and you're going to tab it in just like so. Oh wait, forgot one more thing. So you want to take this little piece right here and pad that in. Just like so. And then now you're going to tap this in. And then there should be another piece. There should be this piece right here. On this piece. What you want to do is put it sideways. And then you want to tab it in just like so. You want to take this, and this is just going to hold this in. So this is what you should have, and then you're going to take this little piece right here. Then this is going to go into this line, just like so. And then you're going to take this dagger thing, and then you're just going to tap that in, and you are going to do the same thing with the other. And then you're just going to make sure you have this as an upside sword position, whatever, or upside down bat, whatever you call it. Make sure you have it this position, and then you're gonna peg it in at the same time. Just kind of have to play with it, and this is how you should have it. I don't think that's gonna matter now, but I was trying to even these out, but I guess not. So these 2 tabs will just tab in just like so. I don't know how that's going to tab in. I think these will just angle down. Just like so, and this will just sit just like that. So this will just sit just like that. And then I'm going to take this right here and peg that on top as far as it will go, and then this will just peg into the middle. And then you don't have to worry about this bit again. I'm going to take 2 of these pieces right here, and take 2 of these pieces right here, and then you're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you are going to come to the side right here, put these in on top of these wheel barrels, and then you are going to tab. You're going to take these two tabs right here, or take these two tabs. You're going to take these pieces right here, and these two pieces, and what you're going to do, oh, actually, you need 4 of them. So what they want you to do is tab these in right here, and then they want you to tab these two in. The same thing here. Although I have no idea why that's giving me an issue now. And you're gonna tab these two in. This is how it should be, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other. And this is what you should have. And now we're gonna make a spoiler. So what we're gonna do, take these two pieces, you're gonna take this piece, you're gonna tab them in just like so. And you're gonna take this, you're gonna put it in the middle, just like so. And then you're gonna tab these two in, just like so. You're gonna tab these two in, just like so. You're gonna use this right here. You're gonna use this piece right here. Take the smaller piece, tab it in, and tab this in too. And this will, you're just gonna tab that in, and I'll go right back with the other. And this is what you should come up with. And then you are going to tab this in just like so. I believe this is how you should tab it in. There you go. And that's how you should tab them in. You're going to take this piece right here, and you're going to take this piece right here. Tab them in just like so. Same thing here. And tab them in. Okay, so once you have this all done, and you want to take this little piece right there, and you want to pack that in the center, just like so, and then you're going to take this. Oh, you want to pack it in twice. I'm sorry. I'm going to pack it in twice. And then you want to take this piece right here, this wrench piece right here, and you want to push it all the way down. And you're gonna do the same. And you're gonna do the same thing with the other. But let's just put this in first. And I'll be right back with the other. This is what you should have right now. And then you want to take these two pieces. I've kept these safe keeping, so these will just tab in just like so. Now you should have this, and you just want to plug this in just like so, and plug this in just like so. And this is what you should have. And then now you're going to take this and take sticker number 6 and tab that. You're going to tab this little design piece just like so, right here. Should be facing downward. And then this whole thing should cover this up. And now you don't see any of that. Now you're going to take this piece right here. You're going to take, there's actually 2 of them. I don't know where the other one went. So I'm going to take 2 of these. I'm going to take one piece right here. And you're going to pack this in just like so. And pack this in just like so. I'm gonna pad this in inward. I'm sorry. Let me fix that real quickly. So this is what you should have. And you're gonna tab this. You're gonna pad these in together. And this is what you should come up with right here. And once you have done that, and tab this in, just like so. Now that leaves me with just this, the game controller. I'm gonna take two of these right here and pack them into the game controller piece. And then this will just tab in just like so. And then this will just tab in just like that, and this will just drop in like so. There you go. That's what you should have right now. That's what you should have. You're gonna use this piece right here, and you're gonna cover that part up. And now we're gonna put this to the side. Now I feel like I think now we're at the end. Now we're gonna take this weird looking piece, whatever that may be. We're gonna turn this upside down. We're gonna tap these in 4 times. So I'll be back. And then once you have done that, this is what you should have. And then you want to take this piece right here and tab it in just like so. And then you want to take this piece right here and tab it in just like so. Same thing here. Then you're just going to tab in just like so right here. And, well, technically you're going to take, I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to tab that in just like so. And then you're going to tab this piece in, the red triangle piece, not triangle piece, and tab that in. We're at the home stretch of this build. Then you're going to tab this in, and then you're going to tab this in, and tab this in right here. Oh wait, I'm using the wrong one. Oopsies. I'm gonna tab this in. It should have that great marking up there. So, and then you should, and then this should just tab in just like so. And it's okay if things pop out. You can always plug them back in, which I'm gonna do. And this is what you should have for right now. Now we're down to these pieces right here. You're gonna tab this in, and then you're gonna tab this in. It will just sit down right, and then this will just sit down just like so. And now the last thing it's going to do is tab these wheels in. And of course, they give you 8 pieces for different wheels, so you can just tag any of them in. I'm just going to use these. And then you can just tab these in just like so. And this is what you should have. And there you go. That is it for this little build. Hooray! We're going to start off to another build. Just before we do that, we're just going to see this girl in. I can see why they did what they did. That's not what you want to do. Okay. There you go. And then you can just set that thing there. I don't know. You can just have her do that instead. Oh, I know that's not gonna fit. It's definitely not gonna fit. I guess this could be a roaster then.